He can blaze his way through stick level. That was for Pakistan, eh? Oh, almost a result and a good one. They've gone for the appeal. They're dead sure that they've got the batsman out, and he's walking. Ronke just...
So left hand versus left hand. And the first runs for Islamabad United.
Rid of dangerous Ronke. Oh, almost crept through this one as well.
It's that. At the top. Oh, a little feather there possibly, but no. He's holding that back beautifully. Bowling.
Turning just ever so slightly, and that's the line that deceived Ronke on that middle and leg stump channel. What a start, what a pick by Brendan McCullum.
Yeah, honing in there around Midland leg. Oh, it's been put down. Was it an opportunity? Have a look at this one. Callum tidies
just for this game.
10 catches over the tournament. Oh, thrashing and flashing blade. Early door. Like Zaman gets another over. There's protection out there. I've just been handed. Wonderful little stat beautifully in this tournament.
That's a lovely drive. Strong drive by JP Dumini.
56 balls the other evening to get 14. Used up a lot of deliveries. So this is a chance for him to bat.
That is actually a great ploy on the surface, given the fact that the covers have been on for so long and a lot of rain around too.
Yeah, but you've got to hit the good length. You can't underpitch and overpitch with that pace. Yeah, his spinners later on.
Dumini's had enough of that. He says, look, I've got to come down and try and create my own pace. They'll keep the strike. Leg side and gather that from the fence. Nearly back onto the stumps. He'll end up getting a single from it. Classic.
22 wickets in PSL.
Smack.
But he's got a good change ups
right from the outset. It's an effort ball, but certainly holding that new ball with a proud scene. And the
long on. Takes it, Narayan. A simple catch. Ball will not skid. Oh, and straight away some spin, an appreciable spin. Where's the slip?
McCullum at slip now. Lovely flight. He's going to be a handful on this. Time for a selfie. Getting ready with the phone.
The opposites.
The oppos.
Yeah, not only spin, but he's accurate. Now, he can be unplayable on this track. And JP is a very good player of spin bowling. But
PSL if he does. Oh, I think that is a maiden, isn't it?
Oh, you've ruined it, Alan. Again.
Changing the bowling, fizzes into the attack, and it's been worked to the offside. JP Dumini is trying to get himself going. He got bogged down when he... And we know we've got the big hitter in Misbah Huck. When he gets going, he can hit it out of the ground back.
Cutters, if the spinners are spinning him, your cutters are going to grip.
Well, we haven't seen big turn until today here, so that's interesting. And a lot of times with their batting, haven't they? Just being able to get a flow on. In their last game, it was Ronke who got them off to the fly. He was the highest scorer, but he's gone. He's gone early.
They only got a score of around one T20 bowler.
Oh, it's perfect from JP Dumini. Really nice stroke through the offside. It's an authentic cut shot.
Can't give any width. If you bowl pretty much corridor and just change your length a little bit, very tough to score.
Tries to go in a similar area there. A little bit closer. It's 25 for 2.